So let's try to draw a bathroom mirror on this side. So to do this, let me first draw a line like this. Then I'm going to create a new texture, black one again, or we can just use the other ones, but let me just create a new one for anthracite. And I'm coming to draw a wall. Let me move this near the wall a little. So I'm going to draw a wall, and the wall will be, reference line will be at the center, so that I draw it at this center. So the wall is just tiny, but we'll change the texture later, the thickness later on. And now I can either draw a section here, or I can drag this other section to make use of it. So I bring it here, Control E. I want to rotate it that way, then Control D, closer, so that I can see what is going on. So you can either click on it and you open the section, or if you have it here, you can just click there to open the section. And so where are we? This is where we are. We had drawn some things on this section, so let's try to delete those lines. They're bringing confusion. And yeah, so you want to draw a mirror for the bathroom, a bathroom mirror, and I want to use this. I know now that this is the center of the room, so I basically want to the right and to the left to go to make my mirror. I want my mirror to be 800. Should I do 800 or 1000? Let me do my mirror to be 800 mm. I'm a 900. Let me do 900. Okay, so I can drag this one to the right. Let me drag from the center so that it is 900. The half of 900 is 450. 450, then I can try to shorten it. So either you can either draw this with the slab option or with any other option. Even the shell tool can do this. So we want to know like where should our mirror be from the ground. So basically when we will place the hand wash, it will be somewhere around 900 or 950. Sometimes it can go to 1000, but mostly around 950 mm from the ground. So let's have our mirror from then. Yeah, we can have our mirror from 1150, because I might want to have some water taps on the wall. Below the mirror we have maybe 2 or 1 water tap, and then yeah, so let's do this. This is from the ground, it was 1150. So I can have this, I can try to stretch the height of this, or let us leave it there for now. Then with this and drag it here, and we stretch it all the way downwards to make it visible. And go back to the floor plan. So here it is. I can click on it, Control E. I want to rotate it that way. So yeah, then I can try to have a look at it here. Here it is. So we drag it. We're going to drag to this point, and now I can shorten it. I want it to be there, and it was just 15. Then I can click here and I choose this option, and I can lengthen it. But before I do so, let me click this one and try to shorten it to here. So I want to make a mirror copy of this, Ctrl+Shift+M, or let me drag this one up first. I want the height of my mirror to be around 600, so let's do 600. So maybe right now you might be wondering what am I doing, like, but it's going to come. Then I can shorten it to this point, and this is the edge of the mirror. I want the edge of the mirror to have a dark, something that looks darker. So this is what in fact, before I do that, we had created a new texture, so let's click this and apply that texture, so that once we do a copy, this was the anthracite 116. Okay, so now I can click this and do a mirror copy, Ctrl+Shift+M. Remember, this was the center, was at our center, so I want to do a mirror copy, the reference to its center, which is there. And now I can lengthen this one. I can stretch it horizontally, stretch it to this point, and I can stretch the other one as well to this point. Okay, now I can delete even this one. I really don't need it anymore, or let me just leave it there for reference, but let me delete it. I don't need that one anymore. So, and what we will have here, we will have a black shade on the outside, then we have a light, and then the mirror. So I can make a copy of this. I don't know if it won't work. Let me just make a copy. I wanted to offset, but I think it won't work for me at the moment. So I can stretch this one to here, and so we could increase the thickness just a little, so that this, let's say 20. But now we'll have to adjust to be from here. Then I can drag this one downward as well, but from this point, and I want to stretch it, the verticality to be 20, and horizontally I'll reduce it as well to here, and I can click the two of them, Ctrl T, and I want them to be a texture that will be able to generate light when we take it to twin motion. So onwards to here, and we can do a mirror copy of this one from here, I think. To there. Then I can shorten it here and here. So now I want to draw the mirror now, so I'm copying this one on the which one do I need? Let me use this one, because I'm able to stretch it horizontally and vertically. So I can bring it here, and I can, or I could bring it here, stretch it like this, then stretch the verticality now to here. So this is the mirror, and I can press Ctrl T, go to this and do mirror. Where is it? Mirror glass, mirror. So right now it doesn't look maybe something nice, but let's take it to Twinmotion and do what I had in mind, then you'll try to see. Oh, I'm clicking these guys who have issues, then Ctrl T, and I want to be able to see them on the floor plan. So let's do 0 here, so that try to see this one. Yeah, and if 0, yeah, so this is the issue that we have. So we can try to reduce it to here and here. Then we repeat on this side. Like this, you don't want to go back. So I've just placed it somewhere where it is a little bit outside, because it was not accepting my thing and I want to end this video. Now I go to the section and try to shorten, stretching the height. So let's take it to Twinmotion, then you'll see what we have. So far it will look more nice. That side we have a small error. So, but if for instance you can use the beam option, I think would have been better for this, for the frames on the end, because with the beam option you can be able to make this angle to be 45. This angle can be 45, 45, 45, 45. That way the frame looks better, because the frame, when the frame is made, the angle is usually 45. Yeah, let me save.